Is it time to buy or sell Boeing stock? In this video, we will explore Boeing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we present an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of October, 2024, our system has rated Boeing as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.4. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, currently reflecting a loss of 1.73% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of 0.58% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 16.3% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 24.23% to negative 13.89%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible decline of about 26.33% over the next year, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 2.45% and negative 4.99%. This corresponds to a price range of between $106.10 to $149.22 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Boeing features the headline, "Evaluation of Boeing stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Boeing stock price decreased by 1.76% during the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, falling from $159.88 to $157.06. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.16%, reaching a low of $153.55 and a high of $161.47. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, rising by 5.15% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could increase slightly in the coming days. In total, 15 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $267.49, while the lowest was $146.02. Currently, the price is 41.28%, or $110.43, below the 52-week high, and 64.79%, or $288.95, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of March, 2019, when the price peaked at $446.01. Boeing has made headlines recently with significant developments impacting its stock outlook. Today, the company announced that its subsidiary, Millennium Space Systems, has secured a contract with the U.S. Space Force for additional missile track custody satellites. This contract could enhance Boeing's position in the defense sector, providing potential revenue growth and stability in a challenging market. However, Boeing's defense business faces hurdles, with new CEO Kelly Ortberg acknowledging the ongoing struggles tied to legacy contracts. Despite this, he emphasizes that defense remains crucial to Boeing's future, which could positively influence investor sentiment in the longer term if execution improves. On the earnings front, Boeing reported a staggering $6.170 billion loss for the third quarter of 2024, marking its largest quarterly deficit since the pandemic's onset. Analysts suggest that much of this bad news is already reflected in the stock price, indicating a potential for stabilization moving forward. Ortberg's focus on restoring company culture and instilling trust may resonate with investors looking for a direction following the loss. In conclusion, while Boeing grapples with immediate challenges, the combination of new contracts and a commitment to cultural change could set the stage for a gradual recovery, positively impacting its stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned BA a grade of underweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned BA a grade of equal weight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned BA a grade of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned BA a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned BA a grade of buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Boeing stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have provided a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Boeing. The Boeing stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average stands above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is anticipated at the levels of $156.33 and $155.41. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 7.12%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which could serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Boeing. Boeing finds support from accumulated volume at $156.77, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades with substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.92, which is 5.16% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Boeing, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of October, 2024. Analysts currently estimate losses amounting to $10.34 per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Boeing. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Boeing is at $159.82. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Boeing encounters its first support level at $156.77. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The overall consensus rating for Boeing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of October in the year 2024, Bradway Robert A. made an insider purchase of 580,274 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Dottie Lynn M. also made an insider purchase, acquiring 326,915 shares of phantom stock units. On October 1st, 2024, Gitlin David L. conducted an insider purchase of 547,582 shares of phantom stock units. Additionally, on October 1st, 2024, Goodlin J. made an insider purchase of 580,274 shares of phantom stock units. Lastly, on that same day, Harris Stace D. conducted an insider purchase of 547,582 shares of phantom stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider sentiment is positive, with a power ratio of 182.770. In total, insiders acquired 315,839 shares, while selling 25,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $151.95, reflecting a decline of 3.25%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is Boeing stock a good buy? Boeing exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate Boeing will open with an increase of 30 cents, starting at a price of $157.36. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.